Alright, so here's Linda's class. This is Linda's class. Hi. Yeah, hi. Yeah. Here, go stand over there by the griddle. Wow. These are beautiful. Advanced placement pancakes. Honors pancakes, extra weighted grade pancakes.
Always pancakes. We're awesome pancakes. I don't think always.
Hi. What a great spread. Okay, say something nice about Mrs. Lackey.
Mrs. Lackey is really, really cool.
Super cool. She's awesome. Wait, why we like Mrs. Lackey? I love Mrs. Lackey. We have sleepovers all the time.
Was a great year.
Got anything to add? Got you already, yeah. Hey. Goodbye. You want to say anything?
No.
Alright, great. Awesome. Okay, one more time.
Bye.
Bye. Oh, look, and there she is. Video. This is what we would call meta video. Hey.
Hey, it's a surprise breakfast. It's greater than everything else. Apparently, these students do know math.
Those about you. To spend and waste time as though you had a million years. To be always at the mercy of one self-centered passion or another. Not enough. That's the happy existence you wanted to go back to. Ignorance and blindness.
Simon Stimpson, that ain't the whole truth and you know it. Emily, look at that star, I forgot his name.
My boy Joel was a sailor, knew him all. He'd sit on the porch evenings and tell him all my name. Yes, sir.
Mother Gibbs, it's yours.
Goodness, that ain't no way to behave.
Well, some kids are upstairs reading Our Town. Apparently 2 seniors were having a beach party.
That's like 57.
Okay, doing a fire drill. It wouldn't be high school without a fire drill. Yeah, fire drill at the beach. Fire drill at the beach. No. Good. Come on, it's your last fire drill. Be happy. It's your last fire drill. Come on.
We don't know that.
Yeah, of course.
What is he? What are you doing?
It's your last fire drill. Last fire drill.
Taking pictures.
Ah, all clear. There they go. And it's over. Here they come back. The quintessential high school fire drill. Nice. I love fire drills. Some of my best memories of Strongsville are fire drills. Someday I'll tell you why. Here we go.
Sorry.
These two could dance if they would, but I think...
Dance?
You know what I did? During the fire drill, I laid out my towel in the grass and I just laid out. And it was great.
It's great, yeah.
In the cold.
That beautiful
with your
sunshine.
stepdaughter. Yeah.
Glad it was good for you.
It was.
All right.